What if I told you that BMW just redefined what it means to be a supercar? No, we're not talking about a concept car that'll never see the light of day. We're talking about the 2025 BMW M9, a machine so futuristic, so powerful, and so dangerously good-looking, it might just send shockwaves through the entire automotive world. Forget what you knew about performance cars. The M9 is not here to play. It's here to dominate. Now here's the twist. The M9 isn't just another BMW. It's the first true hyper GT from the brand. A wild fusion of luxury, technology, and beast-like performance. You're probably wondering, how fast is it? How much does it cost? And does it really live up to the hype? Stick around, because what you're about to hear will make you rethink everything you know about BMW. Let's start with the heart of the beast. The 2025 BMW M9 comes with a hybrid V8 twin-turbocharged engine paired with electric motors, delivering a mind-blowing 819 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right. This isn't some mild-mannered hybrid. This is raw power channeled through advanced engineering. 0 to 60? Just 2.7 seconds. That's Bugatti territory from a BMW. But here's where it gets even more interesting. According to official reports from BMW's own press release and verified leaks from Motor One and Car and Driver, the M9 isn't just fast in a straight line. Its adaptive M suspension, active rear axle steering, and ultralight carbon fiber body make it glide through corners like a laser-guided missile. Its performance meets precision like never before. Now let's talk about looks. You don't even have to be a car enthusiast to fall in love at first sight. The M9 is sculpted like a futuristic spaceship with wheels. Its low-slung stance, ultra-slim LED matrix lights, and massive front grille give it a commanding presence. This isn't just another German coupe. This is art on asphalt. And yes, BMW went all out on the interior. Step inside and you're transported into a world where luxury meets science fiction. Think OLED curved displays, a fully customizable ambient light system, and a steering wheel that looks like it came from a Star Wars fighter. Every touchpoint is finished in Alcantara, brushed aluminum, or sustainable leather alternatives. And of course, BMW's latest iDrive 9 system brings seamless connectivity, gesture control, and even AI-powered driving suggestions. But here's the part that really sets it apart. It's not just a performance showpiece. It's smart. The M9 uses BMW's NeuralDrive AI system, which learns your driving habits, adapts throttle response, steering weight, and even suspension stiffness in real time. It's like the car reads your mind. And for those worried about going green, BMW hasn't forgotten the planet. With a fully electric range of around 50 miles, thanks to a powerful plug-in hybrid system, the M9 can cruise emissions-free when needed. But let's be honest, we all know you're going to unleash that V8 every chance you get. Now let's talk numbers. You're probably wondering, what's the damage to the bank account? Well, the starting price is expected to be around $180,000, putting it head-to-head with the likes of the Porsche 911 Turbo S and even the McLaren GT. And honestly, it holds its own, and then some. So who is the 2025 BMW M9 really for? It's not for the average commuter. It's not for someone looking for a quiet luxury ride. This car is for those who want to make a statement. A very loud, very fast, very German statement. It's for the future-forward thinker who demands performance, style, and the bleeding edge of technology all in one package. And just when you think that's all, BMW has confirmed that only a limited number will be produced, making the M9 an instant collector's item. If you're lucky enough to get your hands on one, you're not just buying a car, you're buying a piece of BMW's legacy. The kind of car people will still be talking about 30 years from now. So, here's the big question. Is the 2025 BMW M9 the ultimate modern supercar? Honestly, with its brutal performance, next-gen intelligence, and head-turning design, it might just be the perfect storm. BMW didn't just raise the bar, they launched it into orbit. Let us know in the comments. Would you pick the M9 over a Ferrari or a Lambo? And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Because this is just the beginning of the future of driving.